Welcome to Catatouille. I am your host, Whitnee Ice, and this week we are making easy cheesy breakfast casserole and 2 smoothie bowls, 1 pumpkin and 1 triple berry. First, we will start by making our main dish, easy cheesy breakfast casserole. Before we start, this is what we'll need.
1 pound of Italian sausage, a medium white onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 red bell pepper, 6 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 20-ounce bag of frozen hash browns, 2 cups of shredded cheddar, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper.
First, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees so that it's nice and warm when we're ready to put our dish inside. Next, we will add our sausage to a medium skillet over medium heat. Cook the sausage until golden brown, breaking it up into small bite-sized pieces. Once the sausage is done, remove the sausage from the skillet and save 1 tablespoon of grease for later. In the same skillet that we cooked the sausage, we are going to add our onion and red pepper and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to add garlic and saute for an additional 2 minutes. Once the vegetables are sauteed, we are going to move the mixture to a large bowl, and then we are going to add in the hash browns and 1½ cups of cheese into a bowl and stir until everything is mixed together. So you guys can use any cheese that you guys would like, but we, in this instance, decided to choose cheddar. That's one of my favorites. So I'm just making sure that I have this evenly mixed, no clumps of cheese or veggies in there, just evenly throughout. And then now I'm going to add in my sausage that we had from earlier, and I'm going to mix that in evenly as well. Now in a small bowl, we are going to mix together our eggs, milk, and pepper. Once we're done, we're going to combine our egg mixture with our hash browns. I'm going to just whisk these eggs, milk, and pepper together here so they're well blended. Now we're going to add everything into a 9x13 pan, then cover with aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes. When we get back, we are going to start on our 2 smoothie bowls. Stay tuned on KNWT Channel 8. Welcome back, Catatouille fans. Here's what you're going to need for your pumpkin smoothie bowl.
1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/3 of a banana, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 3 dashes of cinnamon, 2 dashes of nutmeg, 1 dash of allspice.
Now we're going to add our pumpkin puree, almond milk, banana, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice to our blender and pulse until smooth. Once smooth, we are going to transfer to a bowl and add our toppings of sliced apples and walnuts. When we get back, I'm going to take our casserole out of the oven. Welcome back. Now that our casserole's finished, it is time to take it out of the oven. To check and see if the potatoes are finished, insert a fork into the middle of the dish. If the potatoes are tender, the dish is done. Here's what you'll need for the triple berry smoothie bowl.
2 cups of almond milk, 3 cups of frozen triple berries, 1/4 cup of vanilla yogurt.
First, in a blender, you are going to mix the berries, yogurt, and almond milk. Then you are going to want to blend until nice and thick. Once you get it nice and thick, you're going to add the smoothie to a medium-sized bowl. Now that we have our smoothie in our bowl, we are going to add our toppings. We have mixed berries, but 2 other toppings you could use would be coconut and granola. Now that our food is ready, we're going to dig in. My crew member, Jusani, is going to join me. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right, go ahead. Dig in. I'm so excited. It's so pretty.
Yeah, it really is, and it smells good.
What do you think? I was really excited about it the entire time I was cooking. I was so pumped to have you try this.
It's bomb. I like it. You can taste the tomato. I mean, not the tomatoes, the bell peppers, the onions. Like, you can really taste everything. I like it.
Oh yeah.
You got a good flavor.
The sausage is really good too. I like the sausage that we picked. You can pick any kind of sausage that you'd like, but we kind of picked a sweeter sausage, so I really like that. That's really good. The flavors are all coming through. Yeah.
They actually made me happy. I dance when I'm happy.
I'm digging it.
You want to try the smoothie bowl?
Yeah, which one are you feeling? Which one wanna go? Okay. It's so bright and colorful. I love the pop of color. It's just...
I like this. It can just be a little sweeter.
Yeah?
Maybe like some sugar next time. Just add like a little dash of sugar or something just to kind of sweeten it up a little. But the color's pretty.
I agree. And also, I was expecting it to be a lot thicker.
Yeah, it's kind of...
It's a little runny. It's a little more... I could
watery or something.
Yeah, I could easily drink it with a straw, I think. But, all right.
Try this one?
Yep.
It's the pumpkin one. Fall.
Yeah, I'm so glad it's fall finally.
I don't like this.
Oh no, really? Should I try it? Okay, here I go. Oh girl, you're making me nervous. Oh no.
I don't like this.
Oh no.
That's...
I'm so sorry.
That's actually not good. It has...
It tastes like baby food.
Yeah, I wouldn't even... No, I can't. I'm sorry.
It tastes... Oh no. It looks really pretty, but it...
I can't do it. So, I'm going to rate the breakfast casserole, I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 5 on the apple scale, right?
Yes, yes.
The triple berry smoothie, I'm going to rate that a 3 out of 5 just because it can be sweeter. And that, you can't rate that. Like...
Okay, for me, I totally agree. The casserole, I give it a 5 out of 5 on the apple scale. The triple berry smoothie, I would give about, I'd say maybe a 2. It just didn't have a really lot of flavor. It wasn't a great consistency for me, so it wasn't my favorite thing in the world. And this one, on the apple scale, I'm gonna give it a -5 out of 5. It's bad.
I mean,
it's out there.
No, I can't even explain it.
It's
So I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I hope you enjoy it if you make it.
yeah. Let us know what you think. I don't know. Good luck. Well, that is all for this week on Catatouille. Check us out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and KNWT Channel 8.